Please
Alright,
stand
and now
clear
we
of
are
the
riding the
doorway.
subway train
When
to
the
Terminal
doorway
A
is
here
clear, we
as
will
the fall
continue our
edition.
trip.
Yep.
Por favor, manténgase a una
So here we
distancia
go.
de seguridad de la puerta. Una vez la entrada esté despejada, continuaremos nuestro viaje.
Yep. Yep, now here we go. The music is really cool in this subway train too. Well, it looks like they're replacing the lights too. It's pretty nice. Yep. And we're about to approach Terminal C. Yep. Yep. We are just about arriving at Terminal C. The other train is leaving, and it's crowded in there too. Oh my goodness.
Usted se encuentra en la terminal C. Agarre la baranda de apoyo. Su próxima parada es
Yep,
el
here we
Hotel
are.
Marriott.
Whoa. Oh, jeez. Alright, I got the door for you. You're welcome.
For your safety and the safety
Okay.
of others, the airport luggage carts are not allowed on the subway train
Sit up in
system.
the back.
Please offload your luggage.
And here we
Or
go.
use the pedestrian tunnel to continue to your destination.
Now I have the back car to myself.
Para tu seguridad y la seguridad de otros.
But yep,
Los
as you can see
carritos
here,
para
that is a directory map
You are at Terminal C.
here at the
Hold on
airport.
to the handrail. Your next stop
And the other
will be
directory
Marriott
map where it
Hotel.
has all the terminals and the Marriott Hotel.
En la terminal C. Agarre la baranda de apoyo. Su próxima parada es el Hotel Marriott.
Yep, so here we go now. We're going pretty fast also. Yeah, the subway train is always fun here in the airport because it's fast and it plays music and it feels just like a roller coaster. So we're coming up to one of these turns again. Oh, it looks like they did the ceilings here. And the music is really cool and oh jeez. We just that turn was pretty sharp. So far that's what makes the train feel just like a roller coaster. And yep, we're at the Marriott Hotel.
Your next stop will be Terminal B.
Whoa, train just shook for a little bit.
Su próxima parada es la terminal B.
Whoa. And those are the escalators over there too, which are Schindler escalators, and they go right up to the hotel. So yeah, we're just resting right now. And here we go. Whoa. Oh, jeez. That's a rough start. I forgot to show the hotel, but that's alright. When we ride the train to Terminal C, I'll try and show the hotel before the train closes. Because the Marriott Hotel is very, very nice. Yep. And once again, that right here, well, I know you can't see it because it's dark. We'll just wait for the light. Yep, that is the directory map right here. Which, yeah, I do like the directory on this train. It's very, very nice. Yeah, so now here we come up we're coming up to one of these turns again. Whoa. Yep, now we're arriving in Terminal B. As you could already tell. Yep, yeah, we are.
Hold on to the will be Terminal A. Usted se encuentra en la terminal B. Agarre
And there's
la
barely
barra.
anybody here.
Su próxima parada es la terminal A.
Whoa. Oh my goodness. That was a very, very rough stop. And now I have the train to myself because everybody just got off. The other train's leaving, and yep, these are the Montgomery County elevators here at Terminal B. And yeah, we're just resting. We're waiting to go. Yep. Okay, now we are closing up. Yep.
You are at
That's pretty cool.
Hold on to the handrail. Your next
Now I have the train all to myself.
en la terminal B. Agarre la baranda de apoyo. Su próxima parada es la
And here we go now. Yep. Like I said it already, the subway train is awesome. I do like the subway train here in the airport because it goes really fast. It's just like a roller coaster too. And I especially like when the music plays. And up right here is my favorite part of the subway train. Yep. Because the music is loud here too. Oh yeah. Whoa, and it vibrates too when passing by the old surface parking station. So yeah, as you guys can see up ahead, we're about to arrive in Terminal A. Yep. Whoa, okay, now we just came up to one of these turns again, and now we are arriving. Sweet. Yep.
Hold on to the handrail. Your next stop will be Terminal B.
Okay.
La terminal A.
And there's barely
Agarre
anyone
la
here
baranda de
either.
apoyo. Su próxima parada es la terminal B.
Well, there's one person about to get on the train, so we'll just hold the door for them. Okay, he's not getting on the train. Are you getting on the train? Are you getting on the train?
No.
Oh, okay. Okay, I was making sure. Alright, and now the train's leaving. Yep, there it goes.
You are at Terminal A. Hold on to the handrail. Your next stop will be Terminal B.
Usted se encuentra en la terminal A.
Yep.
Agarre la barranda de apoyo. Su próxima parada es la terminal B.
And there's the train once again.
Certain measures have been implemented to ensure air transportation safety.
Yep, there it goes. Whoa. Oops, sorry about that. But yep, just one last look at the subway train level. And we're going up the escalators here. Which these are Otis escalators, as I stated in all my other videos here in the airport, including all my video tours of the baggage claim here in this terminal. Alright, and that's it.